The first thing to do is go to Instagram. Then select the video from which you want to download music. Then click on the music icon at the bottom. After that, the music page will appear. Now click on the three dots at the top. Then from the bottom click on Copy Link. Now go to Google Chrome, then search for Download Audio Instagram. Go to the first site. Then paste the link into the box. Now click on the Download button. Then again click on the Download Audio button. Now the audio clip has been successfully downloaded to your phone, and you can set it as a mobile ringtone.